is Martin speaking.
And this is Shailana speaking.
And we are going to talk about wind.
Wait a minute!
What is wind exactly? Wind is the opposite of blues, right?
Corny.
Wind is the natural flow of air that humans can detect. Wind is created when changes in temperatures cause air to move from high pressure areas to low pressure areas.
Low pressure areas are often where warm air is because when air is warmed by the sun, it rises, leaving behind less air, so there are fewer air molecules and therefore less pressure.
Now let's move on.
Move on? Try to, but I can't.
Not that kind of move on. Let's proceed to the different factors that affect wind.
First of all is the Coriolis effect. The Coriolis effect, it describes the apparent deflection of an object traveling in a straight line. Like that, for example. Second, wind is caused by the rotation of Earth on its axis.
The wind direction is also affected by friction and pressure gradient. The pressure gradient is a physical quantity. It describes which direction and at what rate the pressure changes the most rapidly around a particular location.
Sometimes we misjudge wind too quickly.
Like me.
Shoo! Wind can sometimes be harmful towards us humans. Here are the following effects of changes and extremes on winds. First on the list is bed load. A wind's bed load consists of the heavier grains that hop and skip along the ground by saltation.
Second is suspended load. The suspended load is a fine-grained clay and silt fraction that is actually carried long distances in the wind.
Third is wind velocity. Wind velocity is the speed of the wind. Wind velocity is the result of air pressure differences due to heating and cooling.
No, stop interrupting the show. Next are dust storms. Depending on the amount of fine-grained material that is available and the speed of the wind, dust storms that blot out the sun can result. Particles can be carried thousands of feet upward into the atmosphere and hundreds of miles laterally.
And now, let's move.
Don't you dare say that thing again.
Let's go to the destructive effects of wind.
First in the list is deflation. Deflation is the removal of sediment from a land surface by wind. It can lower the surface of land significantly by forming a bowl-like depression called a blowout. Blowouts can be over 40 meters deep.
It's my turn. Second on the top most destructive extremes of wind is the hurricane. Hurricane-strength winds can destroy buildings, topple trees, bring down power lines, and blow vehicles off roads. When flying debris such as signs, roofing materials, building sidings, and other materials left outside is added to the mix, the potential for building damage is even greater. And now, the top on the list is tornado. Tornado is a violent rotating column of air extending from the thunderstorm to the ground. The most violent tornadoes are capable of tremendous damage with wind speeds of up to 300 miles per hour. They can destroy large buildings, topple trees, and hurl vehicles hundreds of yards.
Gosh, we're in a safe place. And the tornado just stopped. Now let's proceed to the last topic.
What are the consequences of wind in humans? Wind is sometimes our source of energy. It gives off energy whenever it turns windmills, which generate electricity whenever its blades turn.
Little do we know that wind can also affect human behavior. Persistent strong winds might bring unwelcome dust and pollen that aggravate allergies and or might clear and start an air mass and thus produce pollution levels vary.
And now, we are going to demonstrate how to make a pinwheel. This is a pinwheel. This can be used to decorate lawns or just for fun. This can also be used for entertainment.
This is an anemometer. An anemometer measures the speed of the wind. This is just a home anemometer. Let's try it. See?
This is a wind vane. Wind vane tells us where the wind blows. The main design is that there's a rooster on top, but since this is so wind, I use a styrofoam arrow base. Look how it works.
Please stop interrupting the show.